Okay, today I'm working on a Scorpion sailboat. As you can see, there's a huge hole in the transom where the rudder ripped the gudgeon completely off. I've dug this out, preparing it to place the transom piece back here. The first step was to cut out a piece of cardboard, see how it fit into the sailboat. Then I got a board, and then I laid some saran wrap over top of it. And then I did about 4 layers of fiberglass. And then I laid the aluminum piece here. You can see the aluminum piece edge right there. So I had 4 layers flat, laid the aluminum piece on top with the screws in it, which reminds me I better get the crap out of the holes here. And then I started fiberglassing layers over top of it to hold the aluminum piece in. I have my doubts that this is going to be thick enough, so shove it back in the boat. So this, I'll show you, this one is the same size. Plan is, like I said, and shove this in the boat like that, and then pin it possibly up against the back like that, and then start reinforcing these pieces here, leaving an access hole, and then I'll pull this piece forward, and then I'll glass and fill in this hole after that. So that is the plan. Probably make some screw holes. I'm gonna wet this backside and then pull it against here, and then probably screw it on with some screws through the solid pieces.
Okay, so what I ended up doing is putting woven roving to reinforce the backing plate. Then I just wetted down everything I could get into after inserting the insert piece. Then I pulled the insert piece towards me. I clamped it as I shown before, reinforced it with the blocks. After that was done, I filled it in with a little more woven roving and then some fiberglass using an epoxy resin. There you can see where I had the holes in there. And then this is the part where the gudgeon is mounted. Overall, it was a good experience. Thank you.